Yo, what's good, Poke fam? Y'all thought that we was done? Nah, we back at it one more again. Day number 366. Let's go. Man, we ain't stopping. That I told you that we won't stop. That I told you that we won't stop. Had to get on the bad boy, baby. You already know. Welcome to the Poke channel, baby. And we back. Back like popular demand. Let's get to it. We gonna go with Ascended Heroes. We gonna get this thing going because we finished the other box and we still got this prismatic. So, let's go. If you're new to the space of the Poke channel, gaming, vlogging, streaming, pack openings, pack battles, unboxing, news, reviews, gaming entertainment, all that great stuff, hit the like button, share the content, tell a friend to tell a friend. Poke channel, we staying live and direct. And we hitting you with that consistency with the news, reviews, and all that great stuff. And to all my relatives that been here since the beginning, to all my Poke cousins, we good, we here, we live. Let's go. Let's get to it. Ascended Heroes. Hit that like button, share the content. The like button is free, it don't cost you nothing. And our thing is, we doing a pack a day till we can't even breathe no more. That's how we doing it. We ain't doing it for a year. We going for the world record. We gonna keep doing pack a days until we can't, till God take me off this planet. That's what we doing. That's what we on right now. Pack a day, every day. Let's go. Let's crack this box, y'all. So, I appreciate everybody coming through yesterday, checking out the content as usual. Appreciate your loved ones. Yeah, I know everybody. I thought we was done. I had to do a Meek Mill. Hold up, wait a minute. Thought we was finished? Nah, we ain't finished. We going for the Guinness Book of World Records of opening Pokemon packs. We gonna keep opening packs. You know, till the big man upstairs calls, call me home for my demise. Hopefully that ain't no far. Sorry, that ain't nowhere near time soon right now. So we gonna keep doing these pack of days until it ain't no more, or and I guess until I mess up or something, until we forget or something like that. So we gonna get to it. If I can get this box open. They like, D, don't open up. You opening your booster box bundle, man. We don't care. We opening stuff. We getting to it, man. We don't play no games on here in the Poke channel. We got sealed products. We got packs. We doing it. We work to the work. So there ain't no work. Salute, rest in peace, Pimp C. Let's get to it. Let's go. Crack us a pack. Yeah. Hopefully we get something. Come on, give us a EX. Come on, we get at least an EX. Come on. QR code for the family. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Gone. See if we get us something, guys. Let's get it. Slug mug. Come on, man. Can we get an EX? Can your boy get an EX? Can we get an EX, man? That's what we want. You know, I want an SIR, but I want an EX, man. You know what I'm saying? Or attack rare fighting or something like that. Something good. Come on. I don't think we got nothing, family. Nothing. We ain't get nothing. That's all love. Dang, win some, you lose some. But you know how it go. Did do day 366. You know what I'm saying? So we still going. We got 5 more packs plus this going up, and I got some Chaos Rising on the way. So don't trip. We will be hoping that Chaos Rising to get some of these good ninjas. See if we can hit the gold joint. Let's get to the giveaway binder. Giving away 8 binders. The giveaway is already filled up. Pause. You know what I'm saying? The first 2 pages will be filled with your binder, like this one. 1, 2, and it's gonna be different cards in there. We're doing full arts, EXs, Apex, Pokeballs, promo cards, all good stuff. Some cards, shinies, Sword and Shield, from 2-pack blisters, all different types of goodies up in here. Rainbow, shinies, 151, all types of good stuff. Look at the promo cards right here. Charmander, Sweet Cone. Give y'all a little update. Y'all check out the binder. So like I said, we have 47 slots. They all got filled up. I want to thank y'all and appreciate y'all for taking the time out and being part of the giveaway and the channel. So all the rest of the family members, if you didn't get to make it on the first one, fam, do not trip. I got more giveaways coming up soon to where I want to be giving away booster bundles. I'm going to be giving away ETBs. I'm going to give away, I might give away some slabs. You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of great stuff coming in the future. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay active and let me know. Oh, and one thing I do want to emphasize too. When y'all get y'all binders, if y'all can do your boy Pokédares a huge favor, and I would love this for y'all. When y'all get y'all binders, when I send it to you, I would love for you guys to take pictures. Let me know that y'all got y'all binders and shoot a quick video so I can post y'all up on the channel so the world and the fam can see that y'all got y'all products, and if y'all enjoy them, and let us know that we doing the right things, we giving back and making sure no scamming, no nothing. Like I said, I truly enjoy y'all. Y'all like family to me, so I want to make sure that, you know what I'm saying, the way that y'all showing me love, I want to show y'all love back. Not just one time, but anytime that I got any extras, any little things, you know what I'm saying, pause, you guys would definitely be a part of it and definitely get a chance to win some products. I know it's very tough out there to get some cards for your kids, for your nephews, nieces, for yourself, or whoever that collects cards. So this would be my way of at least trying to help, you know, get you some good products and stuff like that, and making sure everybody, you know, just enjoy themselves, enjoy the cards and time, or if they want to put a deck together, just some good stuff, you know what I mean? But I would love to see y'all get y'all binders, y'all open up with your kids, or, you know, y'all check it out. And I would definitely post y'all up on the channel. And what I also want to start doing too, in the email, my email will be in the description. It is dares73@gmail.com and PokeNation341@gmail.com. If y'all just popping packs at any given time, or shooting a video, or if y'all just pull any good cards, family, I want y'all to send that to me to my email address. And, you know, if y'all need to get in direct contact with me, if y'all cool, you know, I'll send y'all the info, the number, you know, how we do. And we just post up on the channel, so y'all I want y'all to be part of the pack of days. So when I'm popping a pack a day, y'all can pop a pack at any time of the day. Let me see what y'all pull. If y'all didn't pull nothing, it's fine. I'll still post a video up if y'all want me to post the pictures or whatever y'all got going on. Like I said, it's not just me, it's we the family, y'all family. So we gonna keep rolling till the wheels fall off. We got 8 pages to fill up. Here go the names right here. Everybody's name on there. Like I said, if you don't see your name on here, if you didn't make it for the first giveaway, you will be part of the next giveaways that's coming in the future. So do not trip, don't flip. I got y'all covered. Everybody's gonna eventually get something through time. Just stay a part of the journey. And you know what I'm saying, I just want to thank y'all once again. Highly blessed, highly favored. Thank y'all one more time for being part of this whole year journey of popping packs. And like I said, we're not stopping, we keep going. We changing the Pokemon game over here. We doing different things. We getting back to the essence of it. Yes, we doing investments. Yes, we doing seal collection. Yes, we talking about the market, but we're gonna get back to it of actually learning and playing the game. Whether it's the Game Boy game, whether it's the card games, all that great stuff, trading cards, talking. We getting back to the essence of what we also gonna be smart and make great investments and smart decisions. So that way, because this is an expensive hobby. This is not a cheap hobby. This is not a free hobby. So I completely understand these packs, these products are expensive. And if you want to know how to make some money to keep getting different packs, put it in the comment section. I will definitely drop a video if y'all feeling that. If y'all want me to give y'all some, I can do, let's say, like a top 10 how to raise money for Pokemon. If y'all like that title of the video, I would definitely drop that video. So put it in the comment section if y'all want me to do a video of Let's flip, make money. I can show y'all how to sell the boat cards and do all that good stuff. So not only that way, you can spend money and make money without having to keep going in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Sell the cards. If you pull something nice, flip it, take the equity and back, and then put it back into your business, put it back into your card popping, or put it back into your seal collection, or do some trades like how we used to do in middle school or grade school. We would trade our cards and stuff like that. So it's all fun and games, but I understand everybody needs to make a profit, or if they don't want to make the profit, if you're just a solely fan of collecting your cards, that is okay, fine, but we just want to make sure that people can get product. Or, and I know some people are gonna call us scalper. Who cares about none of that? We don't pay attention to none of that. On the Pokédears channel, we teaching people how to hustle, motivate, be productive, be positive, and build wealth and equity out of something that you love. As far as collectibles in your hobby, there's nothing wrong. I'm gonna repeat, there's nothing wrong with making profit out of what you love. People love to cut grass and they have a landscaping. People love to do construction, build houses. Bob the Builder, can we? Yeah, you get it. So they making profit. So if you love to collect collectibles and sell stuff like they do thrift stores, go buy old stuff and sell it at a warehouse, it's the same thing, but different formats. So for our family and for anybody else who wants to join us on that journey, I will show you how to get this chili, y'all. So on the Pokédears channel, you will not get left behind, but make sure you get that chili in your pockets. Make sure your pockets are staying nice and flooded without having to be empty. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how to get this paper, baby. Like the other ones, they tell you how to invest. Okay, invest, but I'm gonna show you. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this together. We're gonna put boat cards together, all that great stuff. So like I said, I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna get more into it. Put it in the comment section. If y'all want me to do the investment side of how to get this paper, let me know. Love y'all, you know what I'm saying? Let's do our motto. Gotta collect them all. Gotta catch them all. We getting there, family. We gonna keep getting to these 1,000,000 subs, and we gonna work our way up to the top, because it ain't nothing here but to keep going up. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.